Hello guys, tutorials by Thomas here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the amount of RAM you want for Premiere Pro. So what you want to do is go up at the Edit tab, scroll down to or hover over Preferences, go to Memory, and as you can see this is the memory allocation. So on my computer I have installed RAM 16 gigabytes. I have 4 gigabytes reserved for other applications and 12 gigabytes for Premiere Pro. This allows me to run Premiere Pro at its best, but in the near future I'm going to change from 16 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes. I think 32 gigabytes is standard in video editing PCs nowadays, but 16 gigabytes is enough for me at the moment. So if you want to change the RAM available for Premiere Pro, all you have to do is change the reserved for other applications. So let's say I want to have more RAM for my computer. I'm going to assign my computer 8 gigabytes RAM and it will assign Premiere Pro 8 gigabytes. But for now I want to have the most amount of RAM it allows Premiere Pro. So I think you need a default of 3 for other applications. It will not let you go lower than 2 gigabytes. As you can see, if you try to go lower, it just sets it to 3. So 3 gigabytes is essential for other applications. You cannot go lower than that. But I want to have about 4 gigabytes for other applications and 12 gigabytes for Premiere Pro. That just gives it a nice mix. And that is how you change the memory allocations to your Premiere Pro programs. You can do it to Photoshop if you've got it installed, After Effects, Media Encoder. I don't know what PL and AU is. Oh, it says right here, I'm such a silly person. Audition and Prelude. Anyway, that is how you change your memory allocation. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for future content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.